Hey, hi, hello, and welcome to another episode of I's Glamorous channel. And in this video, I'll be talking about a product uh, that I did a haul on. Is the Alp Goodness. I did huge haul on Alp Goodness. If you haven't seen that video, do check it out. This is the Alp Goodness green tea toner, which I really love and been using from last a month, and you can see how much it complete. I love using new toners, trying out them. As being a beauty blogger, I really love all this stuff. So a new brand that came up, and Alp Goodness. If you don't know, then Alp Goodness is herbal, I mean organic brand, and it is cruelty free, and it is not tested on animals, and it is paraben sulfate free, and obviously. Uh, if you even have sensitive skin type, you can go for this product. You can see how much I have used it, and I don't really go and buy or purchase any product and just go and give its review. I always do use them myself, and then I review the product. And this is a product which after using half, I felt that I should do the video because I got the visible results. I felt that it is working. So in this video, I'll be talking a detail about this product. And before talking a detail about this product, I really wanted to tell you about the packaging, what it wrote, and the claims they have on this body. And you can see it is a nice green color, so I also wore a deep green color t-shirt. It shoots with this. So it also has this spray packaging, so that it makes it very travel friendly and also usable. So let's get started to
Well,
this
as you
video.
can see, the packaging it is very cute, or like having this greenish color, and they have this paper kind of plastic coating paper sealed all over, and the inside the toner. So the inside toner is also greenish in color, the same green color which they have in the cover paper. So it comes with this cap, and that is obviously a spray container, so that makes it so transport friendly. And as this is the Alp Goodness we love green tea toner, and the claims they have is has antioxidant properties, aid in sinking pores, revitalizes the skin, and infused with the goodness of Alps. And this is the net volume 200 ml. And on this side you have like the users is given over here. The users they say is after washing your face, spray a small quantity of toner on a cotton ball and dab it gently all over the face. Allow the toner to absorb in skin. The cautions given: some ingredients may irritate the skin, or always conduct a patch test before use. Keep away from children. In case of contact with eyes, wash with water immediately. Store in cool and dry place. So avoid keeping in the direct sunlight areas, mainly near your windows. And it wrote here that the main ingredients is purified water. The base ingredients, this is a water based toner, not a oil based. Polysorbate 20, phenoxy, ethanol, sodium benzoate, potassium sorbate, green tea extract, tulsi extract, apple extract, licorice extract, mulberry extract, rose extract, neem extract, cucumber extract with hazel extract for form and color. And the manufacturing details are given here, and the marketing details are also given. The customer care number is also given over here, so you can consult or give your feedbacks. And the batch number, and yeah, the manufacturing, it has a shelf life for about 2 years, 3 years, sorry. And they say freshly manufactured in 9/20/2019, and well expired on 8/2021, and the MRP is 195 rupees for 200 ml container. So this is the packaging. So it also comes with this plastic kind of cap, and this is a spray container, and it is very travel friendly, water based serum, and water based toner, and it is greenish in color. So you can see the green color over here. It is really good. The packaging is quite steady, though it is a plastic packaging, but it is quite steady. So those were all written. It doesn't came with any outer covering, but yeah, it came with a plastic lamination on it, like a plastic laminated when first it arrived. So you have to open the plastic lamination to use the product.
So as you have seen, so you can see that this is a travel friendly container. This is a plastic container, and it also has this kind of packaging. So the sound is good. So if you can see that is a good one. So else the color of this is light green color inside, which is good. It is water based toner and the smell is quite good. And this toner has anti-aging property. Obviously if you drink green tea, that also has anti-aging benefit. So obviously this toner has anti-aging properties into it. Using this toner from last few weeks, and I felt that it really works great. I felt that this increases your pores. If you have open pore issues, I do have open pore blackheads and whitehead issues, and I have been using this, and I feel it really works. I have been using this twice a day. You can go for thrice, even in summers. This is really good. This doesn't feel that sticky. Many toners do feel sticky, but this doesn't feel that sticky. So in that case, I felt that this really works great. It's just having that all the properties that are okay for any skin type. Not only oily skin type, green tea is best for oily skin type, but I felt this can work for all skin types in summer. But in dry seasons, this might not work for dry skin type. For normal skin type, you can definitely give it a try. It really works great, and you will definitely like it. Else, I think that was the review of this product, and I felt that is one thing to consider, that this is not available offline. So Alp Goodness product hardly you get offline. It is available online, Amazon, Flipkart. You can get it in purple also. So this is not available offline, so that is a drawback of this product. You have to purchase this online. In online you will also get some discounts on the MRP, as I got about 15 rupees of discount on the MRP. As I told you earlier, the pricing of this is 195 rupees for 200 ml. It also comes in a 100 ml container, and the pricing I'll write it over here. So it only has this two containers, one of 100 ml, one of 200 ml. So yeah, that was all for this video. Hope you have felt it little helpful. If you did, then please hit on the like button. That encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable content for you. You share it with all your friends. Comment us below your opinion regarding this video or any other video content you wanted us to make. Do subscribe to our channel, and there's a giveaway going on the channel. So if you haven't seen those, the links is given in the description box below, and also at the I button over here. So you can see what are the gifts we are giving away in this giveaway, and that is also the first giveaway of Artist Glamorous channel. So you can check it out, and yep, that was all for this video. So stay blessed, stay happy, and bye.